By the way, someone told me today was something special. Do you have any idea about that?
Oh, you stupid girl. It's Wednesday. It's our special assembly.
Oh my god, I even had a role to practice. I almost forgot about it. I'll go practice. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. While he practices, I would like to call Abhilash for his welcome speech.
A very warm good morning to everyone. How are you all? I am glad that everyone is fine. By the way, I am Abhilash Bhandari, the student of grade 8 Binayak, standing in front of you, welcoming you all to the special assembly presented by the students of grade 8 Binayak. I know you all are wondering what our topic is, and our topic is the bumpy roads of life. Now, I would like to call our class teacher, Mrs. Sanjita ma'am, to honor Pradeep sir. Thank you, Padam sir. Now, I would like to call Somnath for his speech.
If I can survive the baby I'm with myself, I can survive every sort of war. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Somnath Gautam, representing our class 8B. Today I am here in front of you all to present a short speech on the topic mental health. First of all, what is mental health? Mental health is known as the mental well-being of one. If a person takes things positively or negatively. Everyone has mental health, but especially for students like us. From the age 10 to 19, mental health is very crucial. According to WHO, students between age 10 to 19 suffer from most of the mental problems such as depression and anxiety. So, to overcome it, we should always follow precautions and listen to our elders. We should share our problems and be open about it. So, at the end, I would like to request you all to take things positively and focus on your mental health. Thank you.
At the classroom, students are presenting their presentation. Sital's presentation is almost about to end. Let's watch that.
Now I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.
Wow, what a presentation, Sital. Well done. Now, whose presentation is tomorrow?
Anuj.
Oh yes, it's Anu's. Please prepare and come for tomorrow's presentation. Thank you, class.
The school ends. Everyone goes to their home. After Anuj reaches to his home, he sits in the living room very quietly. He sits looking very sad.
What happened to you, Anuj?
No, nothing has happened, mother.
You can tell to me, I am your mother.
No, nothing has happened.
Ding dong ding. It looks like someone's at the door.
Please come in.
Oh, it's Anu's relatives.
Manisha, you took so long time to answer the door and you are not even offering us tea, coffee or even water?
Okay, let me bring water for you.
Wait, we'll have coffee.
Okay.
Excuse me, black coffee.
Manisha goes to prepare coffee for them. During that, there is a conversation taking place in the living room.
What happened to you? Anuj, what happened to you?
No, nothing has happened.
Oh, I know. My daughter has already told me that when she was in class doing her presentation, you were looking at her as you were jealous of her, aren't you?
No, I'm not jealous of her.
And you should be because she is perfect than you. She is better than you. She is a good student. Don't let me tell to him no. You can do nothing in your life. You are useless. You will be never successful in your life.
It looks like the black coffee is ready.
Please have some coffee.
What kind of coffee is this, Manisha? And look at her son, how much useless he is. See my daughter, she has done top in her class. You should learn something from your sister, okay Anuj? You are useless.
Anuj, go to your room.
Like mother, like son, useless.
Anuj goes to his room sitting quietly.
Let's go.
After drinking the black coffee, the relatives also go their home. Sheetal waits behind to confront Anuj.
Hello, Anuj.
doing here? Get out of my house.
I'm sorry, I know what my mother told you is bad, but don't listen to her.
But she told me that I'll never succeed in my life.
Don't listen to her, she has gone insane. Listen to me. Just because you're a bit behind in your studies doesn't mean that you will fail in your life. I believe that with a bit of dedication you will definitely succeed. And also with a bit of practice you will definitely ace your presentation tomorrow. Keep practicing and goodbye for now. It looks like Sita's mother was so hurried to brag about her daughter that she took Sita straight from the school. Anuj thinks about Sita's words for a while. It's already tomorrow. It is the day of Anuj's presentation.
Good morning, class. Whose presentation is today? Oh yes, it's Anuj. Please come in front, Anuj. Anuj, please come fast. The time is ticking. Now start your presentation.
Ma'am, I cannot see anything. I can hear everything, but I am not being able to see.
Don't make excuses and just start it.
Ma'am, really, I cannot see anything.
Oh my god, what happened to Anuj? Someone please call the help, not fast.
Oh no, we should have supported him. Now he has fainted. What should we do?
Let's call the nurse, let's go. Call the nurse. The nurses arrive after a while. They take Anuj to the nurse room.
What happened to you? Your hand is shaking.
I just hate my life.
Why is that so?
Because I just can't do anything without getting anxious at each and every place.
Oh, I can understand how you feel. What he has just experienced was a breakup. It happens when you can't see, but you can feel and hear everything. Do you know anything about anxiety?
No, I don't.
No problem. Have some water.
The nurses give Anuj some water and they tell him to leave, as it was already late and the school had already ended. While Anuj was on his way, the nurses called him one more time.
Anuj, please come back. If this problem happened again, you can contact in this number. The number is 1166.
Okay.
The nurses give him number as 1166 and tell him to call this number whenever he feels lonely and doesn't have anyone to talk to. He goes to his room and calls that number.
Hello?
Hello, this is mental health helpline. How can I help you?
I just recently experienced a blackout. I don't know what to do.
What else have you been experiencing lately?
I have been experiencing my hands and legs shaking without any reason and getting anxious for no reason at all.
These are the symptoms of anxiety. Do you know what it is?
No, I don't.
Anxiety is an unpleasant feeling happens when you have a fear of something. It happens when you are getting the result or when you have something to speak in front of the crowd. Have you been experiencing this also?
Yes.
Okay, whenever this happens, stop taking stress and drink some water. It will help you.
Okay.
And also, whenever you don't have anyone to talk to, call this number.
Okay, thank you.
It's the scene of the school again. There is a program happening in the school. Anuj is not there, so everyone is feeling lonely. It's our special assembly, but I'm feeling so lonely.
Our friend Anuj is also absent.
Should also have been here.
Students, don't take stress for today's special assembly. Though your friend Anuj is not there, the program will go very perfectly. Let's go watch the dance.
all those who was feeling very lonely also came and enjoyed because of the help from the number given by the nurses.
Wow, what a wonderful performance, isn't it? Now we are at the end of our special assembly. I hope you will enjoy and like it. We would like to thank our school authority for providing this golden opportunity for us. We would also like to thank our class teacher Sanjita ma'am for helping and guiding us. We hope you all understood the messages we have tried to convey. By saying this much, we would like to leave this stage. Thank you.
So once again, please give them huge round of applause. So others also now, if you find anyone, any of your friends, okay, your relatives who have this type of problem, what should you do? What should you do? We should counsel them properly and help them, and we should not make them feel lonely, okay? So thank you once again.